Hi everybody, tonight I will show you how to do a Chubby Chickie on ADDI Express Professionnel 22 needle. First we will cast on the machine by going one in the front, one in the back for the first row, just like this. And we will do 30 rows after that. So push that down and then you crank till you reach 30 rows. Put that on in your notebook, please. Don't forget. So you cast on your 30 rows. Time to remove it now. Cut the yarn. Open the yarn feeder. Crank the machine to release all the stitches from it. Stop just before you reach the full needle and you start the next stitch after your last stitch is attached to. So I remove all the needle, not the needle, the open eye, sorry, all the stitches. Sorry, stretch, 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 put that aside. And now we will do 2 times the wings. So you will cast on and remove after 5 rows. So just crank to release it from the machine, and you start the next stitch just after the one that holds your wool needle. So you remove all the stitches like this. Dun, dun, dun. Be careful, I almost lost one. Here. And I have dry hands, so the yarn is always sticky on my finger. So I remove all the stitches, put that aside, and I need 2. So now I will do the feet. Cast on the machine again. And I did a lot of little chickie, so you'll probably see different colors, so don't worry. It's all to do the same pattern. So remove it. The 10 rows for your feet. I'll show you a couple of little chickie soon. Voila! Little chickie. So time to get it together. So I will start by closing both sides of the long tube, 30 rows tube. Do a double knot to secure it, and then go on the other side, do the same thing, stretch, 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 close it. Voila. Grab some stitches to tighten it, and then do a double knot to secure it. Voila. Put that inside. Go the middle inside to the middle in the outside. Bring the yarn, attach those 2 together to secure it. Stretch your work. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Got it. And we will put that inside. Now we will wrap every 2 stitches. So that way we will be able to close and to create a ball. The body of the chickie. There. So I grab all the stitches around it. Now I will put some stuffing in it. A little bit more, not too much, because you don't want to see through the the body of your chickie. So put enough, but not too much. Oh my god, maybe I have to go to sleep soon. Sorry for that. There, cut it and hide it inside. Five minutes. So now we will close the wings. We have two wings, so we will do that twice. So we pull on one side, and for 5 rows is a little bit tricky, so be careful. You don't want to unravel it, so take your time. And then you pull a little bit on the side, pull a little bit on the other side, and then it's time to close it like you did with the long tube. There, and do the same thing on the other side. Yes, I did a lot of little chicken, and and that's why it's all different colors during the video for the cast on and cast off. Sorry for that. I was recording and then stop recording and start, but right now I have 7 already done. It's gonna be for the classroom of my little girl. They will have real little chickie in the classroom in April. So I will give them each one a knitting one to bring home, because they won't be able to bring the real one at home. So a little souvenir for them. So I do this again, wings. Pull, pull, pull. Need to attach it on the other side. And do a double knot. I still have more to do, but it's fun though. I crank a lot today. I prepare 7 different little chickie, so I have to put that all together. I have 7. I need more. So I finished the wing. Now it's time for the feet. For the feet, I will just go and attach those 2 together with a double knot. You want it to be like half of the circle like this, and then you will go and wrap it around it and do a knot here. The yarn I use is like thin yarn. It's like baby yarn. I received that from a friend. I don't have any label on it, but it feels like a 3 or very tiny small, but work well on the machine though. So time to attach the feet on the body. Just go there, and I will go around it, and again around it. And then when I have enough, I will just go and do a knot. So the feet are attached. We'll hide the little tail. Now to attach the little wings, I kept a long tail of yarn for this one, and I will attach it on one side and reach it with my wool needle. I will go through, so that way I see where to put my other wings. Make sure that they are in the same height. Pick here and pick again on the other side and go back to the other wings. Make sure you don't squeeze it too much because you will change the shape of your cheek. Like this. Fix it a little bit. And then I will go and do a knot here. And hide it in the body. Oh! There. Put my thumbs in it to give a round shape to the wing. And now I will go and do the hair. I just prepare like 4 pieces of little piece of yarn, like 15 centimeter maybe, and then I will go getting through it and attach it one time and a second time. Very tight, very important. There. And after that, with my wool needle, I will go and break the twist in the yarn with the tip of my needle. If you don't have that patience, just go with your finger and untwist it. Oh, not sure it sounds right, but sorry. I try at least. So I just push like this, so it gives some volume to the hair. Baby chicken will be cute. There. Cut it just a little bit. There. Now it's time to do the beak. I start in the middle and go on the side. Keep a tail to attach it after. Go across and go down. So you got your top of the beak, and now you go on one side and come back down on the same stitches. Very important. That's the hardest part in the video, I think. And then you go up again and come back down. And you got your triangle. So now you will attach it very carefully, not too tight, because you don't want to change the shape of your mouth. Not your mouth, your beak. Do a double knot. Fix it first and hide it in the body. Almost finished. All I need now is the eyes. Cut that excess. Be careful not to cut your project. It's cute. And I will go and install the eyes. I go from down and grab like three stitch on the same column. I keep myself a little tail of yarn to attach it after. Go across and go up and then go across to the first stitch like this. You could do the eyes differently, but me, I have a lot to make, so I'm not gonna go too fancy. I will just go cute and that's it. Because I have a lot to do. But it's cute. And sometimes things are cute. You don't have to do too much. If you put too much, it's not cute sometimes. There. And cut those 2 pieces. Voila, it's done. I wish you a nice week. Ciao, ciao. See you next week for a new video.